Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can create a new workspace in your account on the Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you're in the website editor or designer, you will need to navigate to your dashboard first. So let me do that. And after that, guys, here under dashboard, click into the drop-down menu, select create workspace and give your new workspace a name here. Confirm by clicking into this button. However, guys, the creation of more workspaces depends, or the number of workspaces you can create depends on your account status. I can create only one with my account status, so I'm going to cancel that workspace creation process now. Once your workspace has been created, it will be listed here or under manage workspaces so that you may switch between these, and here switch between your website projects under all sites for the given workspace. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.